Welcome to the TriangleScene tutorial in Manim, where we'll unravel the secrets of animating triangles using Python code. Join us on this coding adventure as we draw, animate, and explore the fascinating world of geometric shapes with Manim. Introduction. In this section, we'll delve into the basics of drawing a simple triangle in Manim and witness how animation transforms it into a dynamic visual experience. Original code. Drawing a triangle. Watch as a vibrant triangle takes shape on the screen. The Python code on the right demonstrates the simplicity and power of Manim in bringing mathematical concepts to life. Code explanation. Dive into the code explanation to understand each line's significance. By creating a scene, defining a triangle, and using animation functions, you can showcase your mathematical prowess in a visually appealing manner. Introduction. Section 2, Drawing and filling a triangle with color. Join us as the red-bordered triangle comes to life, filling with a burst of color. This dynamic animation adds an extra layer of creativity to your visualizations. Code walkthrough. Dive into the code walkthrough, where we explore additional features and parameters to draw and animate triangles with finesse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting Manim tutorials. Happy coding!